Hey guys, welcome back to a part 3 of the mini truck build. We have the engine going in now. I just took a couple things. I did a couple of like maintenance, so we got a new water pump coming in, a bunch of like tune-up things and all that. So might as well do it now when it's out. But we're actually gonna go ahead and put the engine in. We got plenty of room to get the radiator out. So we're gonna pick it up right now. We're at their engine hoist, and we're going to start test fitting it into the truck. So we're gonna set it in, try to clear the trans cross member right there, and then yeah, we'll see how it is. I'll set up the GoPro over there so you guys can watch us fail. Okay, I'll put on time lapse. Yeah, so you guys just watched us put the engine in over time lapse, and now we have it on the lift. I'm gonna show you a couple things you're gonna have to do now. So right now we're doing all hardware. I'm gonna tighten up the motor mounts. We're gonna put the trans support in and tighten up the transmission. Also put the shifter in through the top, and then also the drive shaft and also the pilot bearing going to the rear end. So we're doing all the hardware right now, and then after hardware is done, then we move on to, you know, plugging in the entire wiring harness. So yeah, I'll update you guys after all the hardware is in. So yeah, now the hardware is all in. You can see behind me that we got the pilot bearing with the rear axle shaft, and get the other axle shaft going to the back of the transmission. We got the trans mount on with the just a little shock absorber for the trans. My dad right now is hooking up just hydraulic lines for the clutch. Just did the speedo cable right here. I tightened up the engine motor belts. Now I'm gonna hook up the power steering line into the rack and pinion. Pretty much chipping away at all the hardware stuff. You can see all this is nice and, you know, tight and all that, so it should be fine. And then after, like I said, after we finish all the hardware, drop the car, start plugging in the entire engine wiring harness. So yeah, it's getting closer and closer. You got some, you know, emission stuff. I might do an EGR delete, I'm not sure yet. I'll see how everything else kind of, you know, works together, and I'll see if I have time. Okay, let's see it. Okay, so last time we checked, we were doing the wiring harness and all that. Kind of skipped it, forgot to do a little update. So it's pretty much all set now. We have the entire wiring harness down. We have the intake in. We still got to bleed the clutch and all the other fluids and put all the fluids in. We still have no water pump on it, but that's okay. We're gonna see if it runs, and we're gonna start it and see if it runs. But since there's no water pump and all that, we won't let it have it running for a while. So we'll see. You know, everything looks back to almost stock. Everything looks good. My father is gonna hold the camera while I start it.
You guys. Moment of truth. Oh, the phone actually cut out.
Huh?
It just cut out.
It cut out?
It went black, but it's after you already started it.
Oh, no, that's not it. That's just the video coming out.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry about that. My dad doesn't know how to use the camera. But yeah, it's extremely loud because it's open headers right now because I don't have the down pipe connected to the rest of the exhaust because one of the studs broke. So now we're gonna go to Ace Hardware and find studs, and you know how it is. A 30-minute job becomes a 3-hour job. But yeah, this is all set, pretty much go. I'll make a part 4 explaining all the small stuff that we'll be doing to it to, like, you know, make it drivable and all that. But yeah, this is gonna conclude part 3. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.